In this example, we're asked to express this as a single logarithm. And we're going to do this using laws of logarithms. I'm actually going to show you two different ways to approach this using laws of logarithms. So the first approach is to start with, well, we can't do much with log base a of 5, but with this 2 log a7 we can bring that 2 into the logarithm as a power using the third law of logarithms that we saw, and then leaving this as log base a of 35. Now we can use the first law of logarithms, because this is of the right form for that, and this gets us log base a of 5 times, and I'm just going to leave it for now as 5 times 7 squared, and then subtract log base a of 35. And finally we use the second law of logarithms, because now we have a logarithm minus another logarithm, which gives us log base a of, and now we're doing this one divided by this one, so we get 5 times 7 squared over 35. We could leave it like that, but actually we can simplify here. That fraction inside the logarithm simplifies. The 5 can simplify with the 5 in the denominator, so we get left with 7 squared over 7, which finally simplifies down to log a of 7. So this whole thing simplifies down to log a of 7. Now let's consider a slightly different approach for this one. We could instead do log base a of 5, and this time I'm not going to do anything with that second part, but I am going to do something with the third part. With the third part I'm going to use the first law of logarithms to split that up into log base a of 5 plus log base a of 7. Expanding that out, I get log base a of 5 plus 2 log base a of 7 minus log base a of 5 minus log base a of 7. But here we have log base a of 5 minus log base a of 5, so that's just 0. And then we also have 2 log base a of 7s minus 1 log base a of 7, so we just get a final answer of log base a of 7. Slightly shorter than the one on the left hand side, possibly a little bit more conceptually difficult to spot what you need to do. There are possibly other ways to approach this problem. There are often many ways to use the laws of logs to solve these kind of problems, not just one unique way.